Feeling anxious, low, or scatterbrained? Today, I've got 3 DIY mental health kits: Calm Down, Mood Boost, and Focus and Clarity, so you can pick the perfect reset anytime. Different moments call for different tools. By customizing mini kits, you get exactly what you need, whether that's soothing your nerves, lifting your spirits, or sharpening your mind. Eye pillow, place over eyes, take 5 deep breaths, chamomile tea, steep and sip mindfully. Stress, ball, squeeze in 5-second holds to release tension. Use when you feel overwhelmed or need a quick break. Prompt card. Write one thing that made you smile today. Citrus. Roller. Apply to wrists and inhale. QR code. Scan and dance for 1 minute. Inhaler, 3 quick sniffs to activate alertness. Timer. Work in 25-minute sprints, then take a 5-minute break. Snack. Munch mindfully on a small handful of nuts. Choose small pouches or tins labeled calm, joy, focus. Swap items in and out based on what you find most effective. Keep kits in your bag, desk drawer, or nightstand. Which kit would you reach for first? Drop a comment, smash that like button if you'll build your own, and subscribe for more mental wellness hacks. Carry calm, joy, or focus